About B. Pramanik. B. Pramanik and Associate is a Kolkata-based law firm offering legitimate assistance in all over India, and their training domains is on corporate, criminal, and civil suits, and with true duty and genuineness and pride. Their one-stop answer for legitimate administration. B. Pramanik and Associate is likewise prevalently known as Bansi International Law Firm offering legal services in all over India. B. Pramanik and Associate Legal Consulting Firm or Bansi Law Appeals is an Indian origin firm having enrolled workplace at Kolkata, India. The firm is having encouraged legal advisor in the all fields of law, and for example artificial intellectual property, commercial law, banking and fund, criminal law, insurance law, health insurance, service law, family law, civil law, constitution law, information technology and cyber laws, labor law, real estate, taxation, consumer dispute, election dispute, and etc. The firm additionally has a functioning land and suit practice. The firm is working through a coordinated system although India, speaking to its customer under the steady and gauge of different courts, which incorporates Honorable Supreme Court of India, various states and common high courts, the tribunals including arbitrators, civil courts and special courts, and different quasi-judicial authorities. B. Pramanik and Associates consisted of various lawyers possessing huge standing in the legal career and also good experience and capabilities in numerous fields of law, and the appreciate of coping and with dispute and conciliation, negotiation, soliciting documentation, etc. Lawyers at the firm have represented its multinational and Indian organization in plenty of transactions which became also preferred of our via our esteemed customer including company, etc. Bansi law firm lawyers will accurately the thoroughly check your case. If the matter desires to be resolved via negotiation, we can inform you. But if it want to be resolved and through the court and docket is a nice opinion, we are prepared to do this as well, and our result encompasses each and prerogative settlement and arrangements with in numerous court. B. Pramanik and Associate Bansi Kolkata Law Firm lawyers offer 111 personalized one-on-one personalized representation that is aimed to at the securing the best final result possible. Your case will be dealt with the aid of a lawyer and who has last revealed in the problem. The Bansi law firm believes in serving our clients with the utmost care and ability our professionalism in job. For every conceivable problem, if there is safety underneath and the law, we preserve and the protect and put into effect the rights. When you need a legal help of an attorney and for protection of your right, once a law firm rights there to help. The legal counselor of Bansi Law Firm Kolkata B. Pramanik and Associates are focused on giving the most excellent lawful administration. Our legal counselor have responsibility, information, experience and policy skill, and which permit us to give us customer exceptional help. Be Pramanik and embrace the wide range of legal issues and services. We have profoundly and qualified and all-round experienced Supreme Court lawyers in all over India. We give a wide range of legitimate administration for our local customers all through the country. Our lawyers give exhortation and the help and profits and of the local customers including people, private and open organization, worldwide partnership, state-owned individuals and just as legislative clients and foundations. Our legal counselor are likewise into corporate and criminal practice, giving the best outcomes to every one of our clients in every aspect of legal issues and services. We remain as the best law firms in India. The areas which the OE practice are the arbitration, intellectual property, commercial law, banking and finance and criminal law, insurance law, health insurance, service law, family law, civil law, constitution law, information technology law, cyber law, labor law, real estate law, taxation law, consumer dispute, election dispute, and etc. All the laws. So this is the Big Pramanic and Associate, one of the most legal consulting firm in India, and that they are based on the Kolkata, Dum, and also there are also branches in the Dalhousie Lalwaya. So you can take service and you can hire lawyer from this B Pramanik and Associates. Is a perfect place for your business and for your perfect lawyer. You can choose your lawyer from B Pramanik and Associates. Also, you can hire. Thanks for watching this video.